and we are continuing with the farm management, financial model, and records. The farm financial model begins with records, which details collecting and organizing of your farm business's production and financial information. In this part of the process, you should be collecting production or physical records. You must also collect and organize your financial records or your income and expense receipts in an accounting system. This is called receipt accounting or record keeping. With this information, you'll be able to generate financial statements and begin creating management reports for decision-making. There are several categories of farm records when you are collecting and organizing your farm business's production or physical records and financial information. As noted on this slide, production records may be related to livestock or crop production, labor on your farm, and weather that may affect your farm. Financial records will include income and expense receipts from the operation of your business. But why is it necessary to keep so many records? As a farmer, your records may need to be provided to lenders, insurance companies, government agencies, and will help you document safe handling practices, organic standards, and etc. One of the most important decisions is deciding how to track your production and financial records. There are many ways for you to keep your records. It is important to find the one that works best for you. There are 3 different methods to organize your records: the paper method, the electronic method, and outsourcing of your records. First, the paper method is also known as the shoebox method. This method is simple, as you only need a pen and paper, notebook, or ledger book to write down specific production and/or financial records. To use an electronic method of record keeping, you might use one of these tools: a spreadsheet such as Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and others, software package such as Ames, Centerpoint, FarmBiz, QuickBooks, Quicken, PC Mars, Ultra Farm Accounting, and others. And finally, you might look at outsourcing your record keeping. This method utilizes a professional to manage the records for your farm business. As you can see from the table on your screen, there are pros and cons to the 3 record-keeping methods. While the paper method does not use a computer and has minor costs, it is limited in the extent of the analysis that you can do without extraordinary investment of your time and effort. The electronic method may save you time over the paper method, since a tool may complete the calculations for you and assist with analysis. However, basic information of computers is necessary, along with time to learn the tool, design it for your farm business, and enter the information correctly. Another method that you can use is outsourcing of your records. This method utilizes a professional to manage the records for your farm business, which will save you time, but will be more costly than the other 2 methods. Record keeping is best kept simple. There is no best record keeping system for all situations. If the record keeping method is too complicated, you may be more likely to make mistakes or avoid record keeping altogether. Records should provide essential information on a timely basis. Both financial and production records need to be collected and organized to generate management reports for your farm business decision-making. Remember, these records are going to be used to help you analyze your farm's financial position and performance, so it is essential that they are accurate.